everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Irfana Izzat, an entrepreneur who has set out to learn life. Today we are in Mumbai, ready to explore a place that I always wanted to see, which is Dharavi, Asia's largest slum. Movie there is a line nee Dharavi ennu kettittundo kettittunde innu njan avadekku povanum povanu. Despite being the wealthiest city of India and India's financial capital with the highest number of billionaires and millionaires, most of the Mumbai population, in fact 60%, live in the slum. The people there do small business which is untaxed and unregulated. This is also the place where the movie Slumdog Millionaire has been shot. It's home to more than 1 million people. Now without saying much, let's go and explore the life in Dharavi. Okay, so guys, I have met my online friend over here from high school. I think when I was a teenage, we both saw on Instagram, and finally, after missing from where? Dubai. I missed her from Dubai, then from Jaipur. Now we meet in Mumbai. So I'm really excited to show you her. Her name is Guneet.
Hi.
An actress, guys, an actress, and they are also in a shooting location.
Yeah, it's so funny. We ended up shooting and I was like, I have to meet her because I'm here. I might as well meet her even if it's just for 5 minutes.
She ended up shooting under my building.
Literally under her building. Yeah.
And we just called the other day and we thought of meeting up, and the next day now she's here. So Guneet, you tell everyone, how is your experience being an actor?
Okay. It's been fun. I've been like learning quite a lot of things. It is extremely competitive. It does drain you down sometimes at the end of the day. But yeah, it's something that I really like doing. I've had a very comfortable experience as of now in terms of the process. And I get so many questions about that dude, सब कुछ audition करके ही मिलता है ना? And I'm like, yeah bro, सब कुछ audition करके ही मिलता है. So yeah, been a comfortable experience, been good. But there's a long way to go.
Yeah. And let's hope Guneet reaches the big screen and all of that, and I get to say, I know this girl, she was my friend one time. Okay, so me and Guneet, maybe if she's free, we have to get her appointment. We'll go later to Dharavi.
No, I have to take her appointment. This creator.
This is my Dharavi vlog, so I hope she comes with me in Dharavi to see Dharavi as well. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. From our house location, we are going to the railway station in this bus. We have reached the railway station to go to Dharavi. We are waiting in line to get our ticket. So we both had to come to Dadar in order to get to Dharavi, and in the train people kept squishing us, and there was this lady. You tell about the lady.
The lady actually blocked my path. She kept a hold in the stand, so I was not able to move in. So I had to push her a little and then go inside.
And since it's my first time, she kept pushing me and telling me to go inside, and I didn't tell anything back to her because I can't do anything. So I had a nice, very unique experience, and now we have reached the Dadar station. From here we have to think about how to go to Dharavi. So how we are planning, Sefin, to take the bus, I think.
Yeah, we will go to the bus stand and we'll ask people if there is any bus for Dharavi.
We didn't have breakfast much, so
धरावी तो बहुत बेकार एरिया है और वहाँ के आदमी भी सही नहीं है.
ओके.
आपको भी थोड़ा सुनाई पड़ा होगा, इसके लिए आप पूछ भी रहे हो.
जी जी.
हाँ, तो इसलिए बोलता हूँ कि वहाँ सतर्कता हो, यानी तो भी जो है पहले से बहुत सुधार हो गया है.
ओके.
हाँ, पहले से बहुत सुधार हो गया, लेकिन धरावी अभी भी इतना बेकार है कि जो कि लुटेरे ज़्यादा हैं.
जी.
बातों से बहकाने वाले ज़्यादा हैं.
जी.
तो इसलिए वहाँ पर सतर्कता ही बढ़िया होता है बस.
ओके. और कोई अच्छी बात?
लोग अच्छा करना चाहते हैं,
अच्छा.
लेकिन कुछ अच्छे हैं और बहुत सारे बुरे हैं।
अच्छा, okay.
हाँ
So right now we have reached in Dharavi and the taxi driver told us to be careful.
Because the people are not really good over here. All gundas, mawalis, the bullies you can say are over here.
Yeah, so we have to be careful and we are trying to see how to go and check inside. So I'll show you how it looks over here. Most of the houses in Dharavi, the government has turned it into such apartments like these.
अंकल आप यहाँ कब से रहते हैं यहाँ पे? 84 से? ओह माय गॉड, कितने पुराने हैं आप? लाइक आप खुद यहाँ रहते हैं, आपके पेरेंट्स पहले यहाँ पहले से?
नहीं,
खुद आया। आपका रीज़न क्या था यहाँ आने का?
सिर्फ काम करना।
जी, तो आपकी फैमिलीज में से यहाँ पर कौन कौन है?
मेरे 3 बेटियाँ, 2 बेटे।
ओके, और आपकी वाइफ?
वाइफ में है।
अच्छा, तीनों बेटियों की शादी हो गई है?
2 बेटियों की शादी हो गई, एक बेटी एक्सेस बैंक में जॉब करती है।
अरे वाह। तो आपने अपने सारे बच्चों को पढ़ाया लिखाया?
हाँ, मैंने पूरी कोशिश करी कि मैं मेहनत करूँ, अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाऊँ।
आप धारावी के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? लाइक आप कंपेयर कीजिए कि पहले कैसा था और अभी कैसा है।
सिर्फ मैं सुना हूँ, देखा नहीं, सुना हूँ कि धारावी में कोई टैक्सी वाला नहीं आता। हाँ, ऐसा
यस यस, उन्होंने बताया।
तो बताते थे कि धारावी चल रहा है तो टैक्सी वाला मना कर, मगर सुना हूँ ऐसा मेरे साथ।
We are going inside a house. How will I climb this and take videos happen? What? No, I'm almost up. You work in Zomato?
No, that was right.
Friend, okay. You have fridge also. Okay, this is the kitchen, right? There is a washing machine too. In Dharavi, we have met 2 young boys who's going to show us around. So I'll show you them. Wait, I didn't ask your name. What is your name?
Azim.
Azim and Vijay. Okay. So Azim, are you born and brought up in Dharavi or born and brought up? Okay. What do you have to say about here, living here?
शाहनगर है ये एरिया का जगह, ये बहुत अच्छा एरिया है। यहाँ पे किसको पता नहीं है पर बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग भी रहते हैं।
Okay.
जैसे देखो सामने एक घर है, वहाँ पे इंडिया के लिए गोल्ड मेडल जीत चुका है बंदा, श्रेयस राहुल उसका नाम है। पर उसको कोई याद मतलब कोई इतना पहचानता नहीं, क्योंकि वो गेम ऐसा है खो-खो, इतना चलता नहीं, बस इंडिया में ही फेमस है। और ये एरिया इतने बड़े बड़े टैलेंट से भरा है ना, पर मतलब बोलते ना टैलेंट की कीमत वो यहाँ नहीं मिलती।
Okay. So they both are going to show us around. And Azim has studied until 12th,
Yes.
but he speaks very good English. He didn't speak for us, but he speaks good English. This is the location where the Gully Boy shooting has happened. So to have a quick sugar cane juice with what you said, this is club. Okay, this one is so happy. So as you can see, it's extremely dirty over here.
This is your friend's place.
Okay.
You stay here.
I'll go inside.
Yes, you can.
Where I'll put my shoe here.
Anywhere.
Show me no. Where is the kitchen like that? Come. This is kitchen. Okay. Then where you sleep? Here you sleep. This is the bathroom, is it? Okay. This is the way to his room from downstairs. It is a little scary I think for him he's a pro. Okay. So it's his room. Show him. Yeah. He is the guy. This is his room. Very neat room. He has kept all his clothes. Everything is here. It's easy to take. What is your name?
My name is Shankar.
Okay, Shankar is studying where?
I'm in second year, Nelson College.
College. Isn't that a good college?
Yes,
Okay. So what do you want to be in your future?
In the future, like a good stable person.
Stable.
Stable.
Okay, nice. So you are having bathroom here, right? You just show the bathroom also, no? But only for bathroom, right? So for everything else, what's the mistake? So in this area, people don't have bathroom and they have to use the public washroom. And this is how it looks in the public washroom. And I think each time they have to pay as well.
अंकल आप थोड़ा इसके बारे में बताइए, थोड़ा ये प्लास्टिक का क्या होता है?
ये प्लास्टिक का बनता है भैया। ये
मतलब-
गाड़ी का बम्पर है।
हाँ,
ये मारुति
मतलब जो आप इससे जो टूटेगा बाद में फिर जाके ये गाड़ी के यूज में ही आएगा।
नहीं गाड़ी के यूज में आवे या बाल्टी बने या टरेई बने, कुछ भी बना सकते हो।
तो कुछ भी बना सकते हैं आप। ये दूसरी कंपनी को इसे बेच देते हो
हाँ
प्लास्टिक, और उन लोग मेल्ट करके फिर कुछ भी बना सकते
ये
हो।
वर्जिन नेक्स्ट वर्जिन का रहता है।
हाँ।
सेकंड यूज नहीं करता कंपनी।
अच्छा, ये सेकेंड यूज नहीं होता।
हाँ।
और ये सब
ये सेकंड
मेटल जो भी है ये सब सेकेंड यूज हो जाता है।
हाँ अभी ये सेकंड में है।
अच्छा, ये सब नहीं होता सेकेंड यूज।
Okay. So this all waste they are recycling and they're making something else out of it.
हाँ, समथिंग न्यू।
They're making something new out of this waste. And I think the people collect it from everywhere and bring.
Yes, everywhere.
They bring the waste and they sell it to the
They
shop.
sell it to the shop and
Okay.
factory people come here
And buy it from the shop.
They find that recycle and make new items.
New items, okay. So this area has lot of shops like this, I
Yes,
think.
yes. It's
Okay.
mainly known for this.
Mainly known for the
this
waste.
recycling world.
Okay, okay.
In all gullies you can see this.
Okay, okay. We have finished our Dharavi vlog. We have seen inside, experienced how the people live, went inside their house, met and talked to people there. And in the end of all that, my conclusion is, despite the taxi driver saying a lot of negative things about Dharavi, I personally didn't feel unsafe or anything like that there. It's really developed, and I think maybe it's due to technology. The children are educated, they can understand English, and they are living fine. Even though they don't have bathroom, they're still happy. That's what the guy I met there studies in Wilson College, which is one of the best colleges here. I think a lot of growth has happened there. Maybe people still don't know about it. So I had a very good experience, and I'm so glad I got an opportunity to go there. If you had fun or if you learned anything watching the videos that I make, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and support my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.